Hey everyone, welcome to Life Science in 5 minutes or less. This is our daily recap. So today we're talking about cell organelles and how we can remember their functions. So this guy here is our lysosome, and its job is to break down things that are in the cell. This could be pathogens like bacteria and viruses. It could also be food, old cell parts, all of that kind of stuff. They're found in all eukaryotic cells, so plant and animal. And I remember them because lyso sounds like Lysol, and we spray Lysol to kill our bacteria. You can also remember them as decomposers. Then we have our chloroplast. Now this is found in plant cells, and it's filled with a little green stuff called chlorophyll. This allows photosynthesis to take place inside of plants. What that is the plant takes sunlight and converts that into glucose, so workable sugar. So it takes sunlight and makes energy. So I remember these by thinking about solar panels. Next, you have the ribosome. Now, these guys make all of our proteins. So they take all the little amino acids and turn them into something. So these are our chefs. These are our builders. They make something out of just parts. They're also found in all cell types. Next, we have our vacuole. This is found in all eukaryotic cells, so plant and animal. Though in plant cells, it is much, much larger than it is in animal cells. And that's because these guys hold water. So for plants, they help keep the structure of the plant cell. That's why if a plant looks all wilted, it's because that they need water. Their vacuoles are empty. I think of a water bottle when I think of those because it holds the water. Next, we have our cell wall. This is found in plant cells and bacteria cells. And it's this rigid outer structure, just like a wall, that helps hold them straight. That's because they don't have bones like we do. So cell wall. Next we have endoplasmic reticulum, or the ER. Now we have two versions of this. They're found in all eukaryotic cells, so plant and animal. You have rough, which has ribosomes on it, and you have smooth without. Guys, these again help with the making of proteins, but they also package proteins up. So the nucleus will tell them, hey, the cell needs this, this, or that. They package it all up in a box and send it on its way. This is the Amazon of your cell. It takes the order, it scans it all in, and sends it along the way. And if this is the Amazon, well, then UPS has to be around the corner. And that's the Golgi body. The Golgi body is the one that makes sure that those proteins get to where they need to be. That is the Amazon of the body. Both of these are found in your eukaryotic cells. Then found in all cell types is the cytoplasm. This is the jelly-like substance that fills your cell. It does more than that. This is where almost all the chemical reactions take place in the cell, and also allows things to move freely through the cell. But it's really easy to remember it as Jello. And then we have the nucleus, the boss man, the one that's in charge, the one that's holding all of the parts. It has all of the DNA inside of it. It stores all that knowledge. You could even say it's kind of like the cloud. It has everything there. And then lastly, say it with me, mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. How could we forget that? These guys are what bring in the energy. So this is your powerhouse. This is your light switch. This is your battery pack. This is the mitochondria. I hope that this has helped and that the cell organelles are a little bit easier